To add an external party to the phone book, you can use your call history, and when the screen refreshes, scroll down to the external party that you want to add to your personal phone book. When the party is highlighted, select Option, and scroll down to Add to Contacts and select OK. The name and number will automatically appear. In some cases, you may need to edit the name. You can also add in mobile numbers, other numbers, as well as a distinct ring or group or photo for that party. Select Save to update the entry. Select Back to return to the home screen. To use your personal directory, go to the button that says Menu, and when the screen refreshes, scroll to Directory and select OK. Select One for your local directory and all contacts. Select Call to call the highlighted party.